Good morning children. In this video we are going to do question answer of chapter 4. Let's begin with true false. The three friends were playing in a puddle. Three friends puddle में खेल रहे थे. True. Puddle means पोखर. Many fish lived in the pond. बहुत सारी मछलियाँ pond में रहती थी. False. pond में कौन रहता था? Frogs. The three children were throwing stones for fun. बच्चे अपनी मस्ती के लिए पत्थर फेंक रहे थे. True. A baby frog asked the children to stop throwing stones. एक बेबी फ्रॉग ने कहा बच्चों को पत्थर फेंकने से रोकने के लिए. False. The frogs were badly hurt. फ्रॉग बुरी तरह से हर्ट हुए थे. False. What do we learn from the frogs and the friends? We learn from frogs and friends that it is important to care for other. दूसरों की केयर करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And next is joining a word pair. These words come together. These words come together and connected with and. For example, shop and water. Shop and water. Hop and skip. Hop and skip. Sticks and stones. Sticks and stones. Words pair are made of two words. Words pair are made of two words that are used together. And they are connected with and. Bread and butter. Lock and key. Peace and quiet. Give and take. Salt and pepper. Cup and saucer. Pots and pans. Read and write. Right and wrong. Now we will know the name of baby's animal. Look at this picture, and this is a chick, baby of hen. Frog, tadpole. Baby of frog, tadpole. Baby of dog, puppy. Baby of hen, chick. Baby animals have different name. सारे जानवरों के बच्चों के नाम अलग होते हैं. A baby frog is a tadpole. A baby dog is called puppy, and while a baby hen is chick. Okay. And circle the names of babies animal in the grid. इस grid में animals के babies को circle करनी है. Then write them in the blanks. उसके बाद इसमें लिखना है. Baby of cat, kitten. A baby cow is calf. A baby cow is a calf. A baby goat is a kid. A baby tiger is a cub. A baby horse is a foal. A baby sheep is a lamb. And now we will feel have or has. Look at this. We use has with he, she, and he, it, and any singular things. We use has with he, she, and it. We use has with he, she, and it. We use have with I, you, we, they. Look at this. I have seen a big pond in the forest. We have holidays soon. Let us go there.